up guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to share with you the review of Shrowan Fantasy Dream eyeshadow palette. So guys, already I have tried Shrowan Cosmetics face palette, their contour and highlight palette, and that is a really good palette for the price. It is also really very affordable. So that one I really liked, so that's why I thought of purchasing this eyeshadow palette from Shrowan Cosmetics as well to try out. This one I've taken from Flipkart for rupees 212, which is really very affordable. This palette is available on Amazon and Flipkart, so I'll give the link in the description box of both the websites. So if you want to purchase this palette, you can check it out. Friends, already I have shared a close-up and swatches of this palette on my Instagram as well. Do follow me on Instagram for more such live updates and for great offers, discounts, everything. So first I'll be sharing the review of this palette with you, the close-up, the swatches, everything, and after that I'll be sharing with you this eye makeup look that I've achieved using this palette, and I'm really so much surprised with this palette. I'm really so happy with this palette, friends. So let's begin. So guys, you can see the packaging. It comes in a cardboard packaging like this, and it's pastel pink in color. And on the back of this packaging the ingredients are mentioned, and there is paraben in this product. And the shade that I have with me is 01. It's mentioned over here, and this is designed and developed in the UK. It's mentioned over here, as you can see, and we are getting 3 years of shelf life to use this eyeshadow palette, and we are getting 25 grams of product in this. This is the packaging, guys. You can see the packaging is made of plastic, and it is not of very good quality is what I can say. It is actually a little bit flimsy, and on the back also the same details are mentioned that we are getting on the outer cardboard packaging. So even if you are throwing the outer cardboard packaging, then you can check the expiry date of the product on this packaging itself, which is really good, which I love. You can see, friends, all together we are getting 15 eyeshadows in this eyeshadow palette. We're also getting warm tone eyeshadows which really look good on Indian skin tones. So all together there are 8 matte shades in this palette, and rest of the shades are of satin and I cannot tell metallic, that's satin or shimmery. So the shades are really very pretty and gorgeous, and all the shades are wearable. You can definitely create many kind of looks using this palette, both daytime and nighttime looks. There's not a proper black and a brown shade given in this palette, which I really don't like, because those shades are basic shades that we need for any kind of eye makeup, whether it's smoky, it's daytime, nighttime. So coming to blendability, these eyeshadows do blend really well. So the matte shades are powdery, so definitely they're going to blend really well. All the matte shades are buildable, and you have to build them up. This palette is really very good for beginners and new makeup lovers who have recently started doing their makeup, because this is a very affordable palette and you're getting so many shades. So if you are on a budget, or if you are a college going student and you don't want to invest on high end palette, then definitely you can invest in this palette. Satin and shimmery shades are really so highly pigmented, so definitely it's worth the money. You can definitely use those shades and you can create very beautiful festive and Indian eye looks, basically, because the shades are coppery and bronzy. And this palette also has a little bit of smell, a very sweet cosmetic smell. So you can see, friends, this shade can be used to set eyelids after applying concealer before applying eyeshadow, and you can see this shade is also highly pigmented. This is the last row. So as you can see, the satin, the shimmery shades are really very highly pigmented, and this particular shade over here is not at all pigmented, and it is not showing up on my skin. So first I'll be picking up this shade with my fluffy blending brush, you can see, and this I'm going to apply as a transition shade, and you can see it gets really picked up well with my eyeshadow blending brush. And this is also a little bit powdery, you can see there is Kickoff. So you can see the color intensity. With a single swipe I'm getting really good color pigmentation, you can see. I'm just trying out this palette. I'm not going to create any any complicated eye look or anything which is very hard to achieve. So I'm just going to try out this palette in front of you to share the pigmentation, the blendability and everything. And as you can see, it blends so well. It blends really quickly on my eyelids. I'm going to blend that shade on my lower lash line as well. So next I'm going for this shade over here. You can see this is a very pretty shade. So I really can't explain this color, but you can see the pigmentation is so good. This is a metallic shade, shimmery type of shade, and I'm going to apply this on my whole eyelid using my finger. So these type of shades do pick really well with finger. So that's why I'm applying this shade with my finger only. So guys, you can see the pigmentation of this eyeshadow. It is looking so pretty. This shimmery shade is looking really gorgeous on my eyelid. So next I'm going to blend my transition line once again so that there will be no harsh edges and it blends really well. So next I'm going to pick this golden shade and I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eye using this shade, and it is also a shimmer shade. It's not a matte shade. So I'm going to apply the same shade on my eyebrow bone to highlight a little bit. So next I'm going to apply kajal, and this is purple kajal in the shade black, purple winking together kajal, and this is a really good kajal. I'm also going to smoke it out a little bit using my finger like this. So next I'm going to apply a liner, and this is a Maybelline Colossal eyeliner. I'm not going to apply any falsies in this look. I'm just going to finish off my eye makeup using this mascara, and this is by Essence. This is Essence Lash Princess mascara, one of the best mascaras available in India right now, and I highly recommend guys this mascara. It is a good mascara for the price. It is really very affordable, and now this is available on flat 50% discount on Flipkart. So there is Diwali sale going on Flipkart, friends, and definitely you can check it out. It's a really good mascara, and you can see the difference with a single coat. You can see, friends, it really gives good volume. It lengthens my lashes really well. So friends, you can see the difference between my lashes, this right eye and left eye. You can see the difference. You can see my eyes right now. This is a really very good palette, and the pigmentation is amazing. Everything is amazing, and I'm really happy with this palette so much, and I highly recommend you should definitely purchase this. You will not at all regret buying. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and this video is really helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful, and please also give this video a like and share if you like this video. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, love you all.